But I'm late to the party, but we about to get it started. How many laps y'all in here? What y'all did already?
It's back trim.
Just the back trim? Well, you sweating already. I did so. I'm about to get my shit down. This how you gotta hurry up and get your B-roll when your ass late. What it looking like? What's happening, my boy? Got that boy K tonight. What's happening, family? So you gotta get the helmet down, ain't it? It's dry? It was kinda.
It's both.
Yeah.
I need a tire, bro. We need tires.
Damn. I need a new front one, but I been on that bitch a whole year. I changed the back by 8 times. That was still on that same front though. You did? Hey, y'all, I'm finna hop in this car, get this bike down.
We parked there. We finna go see if they got a helmet for him for like 150. If they do, we gonna grab it. My boy John out here, you see where she going? Yes, you did. Y'all gonna be mad at me. I left my goddamn SD card at home. Yup, to the GoPro, so it's gonna be it, man. I'm gonna get some of the footage from the bros if I can, but if it's not gonna look how I wanted to, we're just gonna add some shit in. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. I'm about to try to give you what I can. I'm gonna have to put the camera phone in my pocket. I don't know how this gonna work, but I'm gonna try it, goddamn. Stay tuned in. My boy Wayne is playing the game, gave me an SD chip. We back in Benny, man. Thank this guy right here, real goat for that. Hey, y'all talking about. Come on, that beat, Bobby. Beat, Bobby, I hear you. Woo-hoo, yeah. Good all day at the D-Town. We got my boy Wayne out here. We got little Cannon out here. Had to warm that baby up.
What? That motherfucker lit. That shit lit through the... Got the hill climb with it. I think it's time like... That boy there. That shit ain't easy, boy. I know, I said, what the hell?
Nope.
Boy, how the hell did you hit that shit? Nigga, that first bump just threw my ass clean in the air.
Yeah, you gotta fucking.
Oh. Uh-oh. That's how you do that.
I'm gonna chase you on the turbo track. Go ahead.
Yeah, boy. Oh, boy, down there. Come on, boy. I got buckets. Yeah, I got another one in the house. In the house, in the car. We can keep riding on footage, right? That's crazy, y'all. Mid dang on ride, but the GoPro just flew off. You know what I'm saying? But we back. You know what I'm saying? I had to go get the little piece. You did. That came right out while we riding, y'all. Crazy.